Are you looking to scrape data from Google search results but don't know where to start? In this video, we'll walk you through how to scrape data from Google search results using Browse AI, a powerful tool that makes it easy for anyone to extract the data they need, even if you're a beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use Browse AI for data scraping, and we'll also reveal an exclusive bonus for you to try this software for free. Stick around for the entire video, because we'll share something special at the end. Browse AI allows you to scrape data from Google search results with no code required. Whether you're trying to gather information for market research, lead generation, or SEO purposes, Browse AI makes it simple. You can start by creating an account, and once you're logged in, you'll be able to set up a scraping bot to extract data from any website. The first thing you'll do is select Create a new robot, and Browse AI walks you through the process step by step. You'll need to enter the URL of the Google search results page that you want to scrape. Once you do that, Browse AI allows you to point and click on the elements on the page that you want to extract. This could be titles, descriptions, URLs, or any other data that appears in the search results. One of the key features that makes Browse AI so user-friendly is its point and click interface. You don't need to write a single line of code to get started. As you click on different parts of the Google search result page, Browse AI intelligently identifies those elements and will suggest what data to scrape. This makes it easy even for those with no coding experience to scrape large amounts of data efficiently. Once your robot is set up, Browse AI will allow you to run it and start scraping. The data will be extracted and presented to you in an organized format, often as a CSV file, so you can easily analyze or import it into other tools for further processing. This level of automation makes it a huge time saver compared to manually gathering data. A big advantage of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic content as well. For example, if you're scraping search results that load more entries as you scroll, Browse AI can handle this scrolling feature automatically. This ensures that you capture all of the data without needing to worry about missing anything. It's fast, efficient, and reliable. If you're new to web scraping, it's important to mention that Browse AI offers a free plan that lets you test the software and get familiar with its capabilities. With this plan, you can scrape a limited number of data points to get a feel for how it works. For those who need more robust scraping power, Browse AI offers paid plans with more advanced features, but you can start for free and see if it's the right tool for you. Now here's the exciting part. You can get started with Browse AI and try it for free today by clicking the first link in the description. Not only will you get access to the free plan, but I'm also offering you an exclusive bonus, an extended free trial that allows you to scrape more data and explore additional features without committing to a paid plan right away. So to recap, Browse AI is an easy-to-use tool that allows you to scrape data from Google search results with just a few clicks. Whether you're doing market research, SEO analysis, or lead generation, this software will save you time and effort. Remember to check out the link below for your exclusive free trial with bonus access. Don't miss out. This is your chance to dive into the world of web scraping with a powerful, no-code solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.